but we need to troubleshoot it. So when we open up our page here with our live server, in our local setting, our CSS shows up. We have this blue header, this blue footer, and then it's also moved our About Us, our mission, and our Donate, and given us some gray color down here. So it styled our page a little bit in its Kentucky blue and white and gray theme. I was hoping for something more around racehorses, but we can go with the University of Kentucky theme for now. So I believe the issue is right here with the styles href file path. And if we look at our GitHub and we launch it from GitHub on our GitHub host, we go down to our deployments. We can still see that our style sheet isn't showing up. So it's still got this original unformatted style. So what I want to do is I'm going to go here and try to remove this slash from our styles. So I believe that's disrupting our file path here in GitHub. So it's not as simple as just removing that. We got to save it. And then we want to go down to our terminal and we want to push this one small change, because we see this is red here. It means this index.html has been modified, but we haven't pushed that change to our repo, which is hosting this site. This site is on our live server. It's just a local version that's running locally on our machine. The file path is fine on that. But we want to get it up to GitHub. So we're going to add it. It's going to turn it green. It means it's tracking it. We're going to commit it, take this snapshot of our code, and then we're going to push that up to our repo. And we'll check our status one last time. It's clean. So let's go back and look at our code on the repo and make sure we have the update. We're going to go in and click our index.html. It says it was just changed now, so we've removed that slash. And let's go back and see if our new deployment is deployed with our CSS. I think it's being deployed right now. See deployment in progress. So we'll wait a second for that to finish. And it should have our change that we made. A little bug in there that we debugged. And you can see down here, GitHub tells us what percentage of our code is what. We've got 53.5% is HTML and 46.5% is CSS. We're going to be adding some JavaScript as well to the page. But for right now, this is what we have in the repo. Let me reload this and see if it's gotten the deployment done. Yeah, it says it was just deployed. So we're going to go look at it. It's still not showing up here. There it is. So I refreshed it, and this is live. We can go to this website, and people can see it. And it's got our CSS added to it. And it was that file path issue. So we just changed this one thing. We took that out. We don't want that in there because in our file path, back here, our code, it's going to reference this file right here. So we don't need that slash because it's got slash into this folder, and that folder has this right in there. So we can reference it directly. That's all for that.